I'm the letter N. Let's hear my story.
Ali read a newspaper under a tree. In front of him was a plate of nuts, and above him, a nest sat on a branch. Just then, Ali saw a net lying nearby. He smiled, thinking about all the interesting things around him.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time. Hello, everyone. I'm the letter M. Let's hear my story.
One day, Hassan drank some milk while sitting under a tree. He saw a monkey eating a yummy mango nearby. Hassan smiled and waved at the monkey, enjoying the sunny day.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.